I'm going to show you how to take out the intermittent tension assembly so you can clean it. You'll need a little wrench and loosen the nut.
Make sure it's okay on the left side.
So that's good to go on there.
And just unscrew the whole unit. And you want to be real careful to keep the far end pointed upwards. There's a pin in there that can fall out. So bring it out, and you can remove this pin and clean everything with a couple drops of rubbing alcohol or a little bit of sewing machine oil. They get kind of grimy. You can see that grease on there. I'm going to wipe it off. So the small end of the pin goes back into there. And that pin, when it's pushed by an eccentric cam that's on the shaft, top shaft of your machine, it's going to move this back and forth like this and apply tension in part of the stroke. And you only want that to move in and out about 1/8 of an inch once it's back in position. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in, again trying to keep the back end pointed upward. And you can test it with the hand wheel, turning it, and I'm sighting down the side of the machine, watching for when I get that 1/8 of an inch distance on there. There it is. And once I'm at that point, I'm going to put my thread guide probably back at about a 4 o'clock position and tighten that nut.
I'm not going to let that thing fool me this time. I know it's there. I know it's there.
So again, I'm going to check to make sure that's all the stroke I have on there is that 1/8 of an inch.
No thread's going to fool me.
If you watch those two discs, you can now see that they're moving about 1/8 of an inch as I'm turning the hand wheel from the back of the machine counterclockwise.